Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how you can update or delete a payment method on your Uber. Now, if you want to delete a payment method or update, for example, you have a new card, it's quite simple. All you need to do is, of course, you need to go open your Uber app, make sure you're signed in. And once you are here, you want to tap on account on the lower right corner of your screen like so. There we go. And then once you're here, you want to tap on wallet. So there's four options here, four boxes: help, wallet, safety, and inbox. Tap on wallet. And in wallet, under payment method, this is where it's going to be listed all your payment methods. So tap on the payment method you want to edit or delete, like so. And on this screen right here for you, it's either you can tap on edit, so you can edit the information, or just tap on remove payment method to remove your payment method. And Uber is going to ask you if you're sure, and then after that you'll be able to delete that payment method, and then you will be able to just pretty much use maybe one or less payment methods, so you won't be confused or the like. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.